True or false? Cracking your back is dangerous and will make you addictive. True and false. It's dangerous from a standpoint if a person is continually cracking their neck. What they're creating is ligament laxity. The ligaments, muscles around their neck is now becoming loose. And it's not a problem until they are involved in a motor vehicle accident or say they fall on their head. The difference between what a normal person may do by cracking their neck or popping their back compared to a licensed chiropractor is we've been taught how to place a person to make sure that they have a correction of their spine, not just an audible or a pop.